How to fix After Effects is not playing the video preview. So if you're trying to play a video in After Effects and the preview is either not playing or it's lagging like this, then I'll show you a couple of ways on how to go and fix this issue. So the first thing you need to do is click on Edit in the top navigation, and then you'll need to scroll down and click on Preferences. Now from the list of options, click on Audio. Click on the drop-down arrow next to Device Class and make sure this is set to MME. Now come over to the output and click on the drop-down arrow. Now what you need to do is try using a different output device. So if it's currently set to your speakers, you can go and change this to any of the other options available. Once you've done this, just go and press OK to save the changes. Now once again, try playing your video and check if that solves the issue. Now if it's still not working, click on Edit in the top navigation. You can then scroll down to Purge and then select all memory and disk cache. Now you'll get this warning message pop up, just go and press OK. Once it's been deleted, try playing your video once again and check if that now solves the issue. If it's still not working, it could be due to the performance on your computer. So what you can try doing is changing the preview resolution. Now don't worry, this won't change the quality of your finished exported project. So what we need to do is click on this drop down arrow and you can try changing this to either a quarter or half. You can then try playing the video once again and check if that now solves the issue. Now if it's still not playing, click on Edit once again and then come back over to Preferences. You could then press Memory and CPU. You'll see RAM reserve for other applications. Go and reduce this number down to the minimum number. So I'm going to put mine all the way down to 3 like this. And that means it will give more RAM to the Adobe application. You could then go and press OK. And once again, check to see if you can now play the video in the preview. Now, if it's still not working, there is one final solution. So let's come back over to the Preferences page and then click back on Memory and CPU. Now, from the left-hand side, go and click on Appearance, and you'll see the option for Hardware Accelerate Composition Layer and Footage Panels. Now go and uncheck this option and press OK. You may need to restart Adobe After Effects and you should now be able to play your video without any lag.